Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 5 main components of an HVAC system. If you are a beginner, this is one of the most important topics to understand because every HVAC system is built around these basic parts. First, we have the compressor. The compressor is called the heart of the HVAC system. It compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. This process helps the system move heat from one place to another. Second, we have the condenser. The condenser is usually located outside the building. Its job is to release heat from the refrigerant into the outside air. When the refrigerant loses heat, it changes from a gas into a liquid. Third, we have the expansion valve. This component controls the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. It reduces the pressure of the refrigerant, which allows it to cool down quickly before entering the next stage. Fourth, we have the evaporator coil. This is located inside the building. The evaporator absorbs heat from the indoor air. As warm air passes over the coil, the refrigerant inside absorbs the heat and cools the air. Finally, we have the air handler, or blower. This component is responsible for circulating air throughout the building. It pushes the cooled or heated air through ducts and into different rooms. Conclusion. So, these are the 5 main components of an HVAC system: compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator, and air handler. All these parts work together to provide cooling, heating, and proper airflow. If you understand these components, you can easily understand how an entire HVAC system works.